Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. In today's video I'm going to show you a website that's free to use, it's quick, it's simple and it's easy. It can be, anyone in the world can use this platform, and you go ahead and you can earn money by liking pages on Facebook, by liking videos on YouTube, by following people. They're really simple and really quick tasks. A lot of the tasks on here take less than a minute, and you go ahead and you earn money for every single task you do. So I'll show you that website in a minute. Before we jump into today's video, this here is one of my blogs called Not Taught at School, and we'll go ahead and share on here about earning online and working from home. So I do videos on YouTube, but then I also go ahead and I create posts on my blog. So if you're interested in earning online and working from home, go ahead, hit the subscribe and also the notifications bell, and then you'll get notified every time we upload a video. And we upload videos daily on this channel, so go ahead and do that. Very quickly, on the right hand side over here on the blog, we've got a members area. It's free to join. Put in your name and in your email and you'll get free instant access to all of these freebies that we have in the members area. So let's jump into today's video. So this here is the site. This one here, it's called Rapidworkers.com. Now you can see here, let me go to the top here. So this is the website, and if we just scroll down, I'll show you some of the tasks that you can do. So these are some of the different tasks that you'll do. Now it'll show you exactly the task, it'll show you how much you'll be paid, and it'll show you a time of how long it expects you to complete the task. Now you can see on here we've got vote for a YouTube video, follow me on Twitter, sign up for an insurance form, create a Gmail account for me. There's lots and lots of different things you can do, and you can see they don't take very long to do at all. And then you've got all these different amounts of money here. So to get started, you simply go here and click on this sign up button, and it is just name, email, enter a password, and that's it, you're good to go. Once you've done that, you'll get access to the back office, which looks like this. So if you just scroll this up, this here is the top here. So you've got the job name, the location, so where it's available in the world, the payment, how long it's expected to take. If you can go ahead and click on here if you've done it, and then you can see here, so currently this one here, invite friends to like my Facebook page. There's 300 of this available, and currently 171 people have gone ahead and done this task here. So it's as simple as this really. You can go down, you can see all these ones here are international. This one here is USA only. This one here is only for Germany, and then look, you can just go down here, find your country. A lot of this is international, so you can just go through, and you can see, look, they're not big amounts of money, they're small amounts of money, but they're going to add up, and it doesn't take very long to do whatsoever. Liking someone's Facebook page takes what, 5 seconds, and then you're going to go ahead and earn 5 cents from doing that. And if we scroll down here, I'll just show you some of the different things that's available. So what's simple dating sites? If you want to sign up to a dating site, it'll take 3 minutes, you earn 25 cents. Again, this is international. You've got Yonla, you've got like my Facebook page, like, comment and share, visit a website. What's this? Easy money sign up. There's lots and lots you can do on here. You've got YouTube, search and watch somebody's video, social media, internet marketing community. So look, you can see that there's lots of different ways you can earn money on here. And it's really, really simple to do. If you're looking for a simple way, a quick way and an easy way to earn money online, you're not going to find many more than this really. But like I've said, you're not going to earn lots of money. You can see all these amounts here, they are quite minimal, but if you're doing a few of these, whether it's on your lunch break or on your travel or commute to work, it's a simple way to earn some extra money. It really is. Now, let me just scroll up to the top. So look, you can go through these and have a look at these and click on these, and to apply to any of these, it's really simple. You just click on the one you want, and then it will tell you exactly what you need to do. It'll give you the links to whether that's a YouTube video, whether it's a Facebook page, etc. So I'll drop a link to this below for you. Now if we just go over to here, the website here, they've got home, about us and contact us. Now once you've signed up, you'll get access to all of this down here. Well, you get access to this anyway, but you'll get access to these tutorials. Now, if I click on the Facebook page here and scroll down, you can see they've currently got over 3,700 people who like this, and they're always sharing videos in here about how you can go ahead and if you're having a problem, so let's say if you was having a problem submitting one of your links on the website, they've got all of these videos on here, and they do go ahead. You can see here, this was the last post. This was a couple of days ago. It was about 3 weeks ago. We're in September, aren't we? Yeah, this post here was about 3 weeks ago. But you can see on here, you can go through these videos on here. So how to manage your campaigns. What's this one here? Scroll down a bit further. Yeah, how to start a campaign. Scroll down here. So basically, all of their training videos are all on this Facebook page here. Look, how to add a photo or a print screen in the proof box on here. So all of their training videos, they're pretty much all hosted on here on the Facebook page. So you simply just come over here and scroll through and find the video you're looking for, or just click on this link here, videos, and it'll bring up all of the videos for you. So that is pretty much today's video. I'll drop links to the homepage here for you, and you will then get, once you've signed up, you'll get instant access to this here. This is, like I said, this is the back office where you can go through and look at all of these different jobs and payments and how long it'll take on here. Now, there is one thing to know in terms of payment. You do get paid via PayPal, and the minimal withdrawal is $8. So you can't withdraw any money until you've reached a threshold of $8. So that's it. I'll drop links to everything below for you, but do make sure to go over to my blog here, check out some of the different articles on here. Lots and lots of different ways how you can make money online. So thank you for watching today's video, and I shall see you tomorrow.